Welcome to AntMyERP. In this video, we will learn how to create a lead on AntMyERP. The opportunity that comes to us, the inquiry that comes to us, how do we create it in the system? To create it, I will go to Quick Add. Here is the inquiry option. If I click on it, my inquiry form will open directly. The second option is, I will go to CRM Sales and click on Lead. The index listing will open, where all the leads that have been created will be visible. There is a plus option on the right-hand side. If I click there, the lead form will open. Once the lead form opens, there are two possibilities in the lead. 1. The lead has come from our existing customer. Second, customer is not in our database, it is a new customer. If it is an existing customer, then I will go to the requester company and type the name of the customer. Once I type the name here, all my customers will be visible to me. But if I type a customer here who is not in my database, I will not be able to see the details. I entered Enterprise ABC, and since there is already a customer with that name, I am placing it ahead of XYZ. This type of customer will not be visible in the system now, it means this is my new customer. To create any lead, customer name has to come from the existing customer database. I can enter the name here and select it from the drop-down. You can select the branch. If the lead is already created in our system, then you will see a pop-up that the lead is already created. Still, if you want to create, you can proceed to create another lead. In this branch, the contact person name will come in the drop-down listing. To which employee should we assign this lead? Who will be responsible for working on it? Who will be the owner of this lead, so it will pick up from our employee database? We will enter the name of the employee who is going to work on it. Campaign management, if we have created a campaign in the system. So we can select the campaign from the drop-down. If I want to keep a senior level person in the watch list, I can enter here. What is the start date? What is the due date? Its estimate date? What is its priority? The order's probability. Where we can define the percentage of the order probability. There is a parent task. If it has any subtask, then we can connect the same. We can select the department, we can put the source from which this lead came to us. I can also upload the document. In the lead source, here you can create the lead source. What was the source of the lead? It came through Facebook, it came through Google, etc. We defined this priority here, urgency. But here we can define the priority matrix that it is urgent and important. Not urgent but important, so you can select the priority matrix from here. You can put the reference number here, if you have received a reference number from any customer. Whatever request we selected above, its email ID, contact details automatically come here. In the reporting tag, we can select the reporting tag, whatever master we have created. In future, if we want to remove/edit the report from the reporting tag, then we can remove/edit. Lead title can be entered. If I want to capture more information, then I can put more information here. If there is an email, then I can paste that email here. Check tender, if it is the lead created via any tender, then I can connect the tender here. In case of mapping the tender needs to be created in the system. As soon as I filled the entire data and save it, my lead is created. Inquiry is created in the system. Whatever inquiry I created, it created the inquiry of my existing customer. So here I get an inquiry ticket number. If it was not my existing customer, then I would have clicked on New Prospect. It will ask me the name of the company. I type the name of the company here, person's name. His/her mobile number. If I have his/her email ID, I can enter it here. If not, then it is not mandatory. City, department and PIN code is not mandatory. Which employee is going to work on it, I will enter it here. And fill the form below in a similar described manner. Only in New Prospect, we have to type the name of the company here. We have to select an existing. As soon as I fill that same form and save it, my inquiry will be created. Then I will go to index page of the lead. Here I can see all the leads that I have created, on which I am going to work. I just created a lead, so I will see it in my index listing. This is my lead number, on which I have to work. And that lead, just like I created this lead of Rama Enterprises. You can see it here. Here I can see the aging, how old it is. Who is the owner and who created it? What is the value and what is the title? Once I do any activity on the lead, it will automatically start appearing on the index page. In this way, we can create inquiry, lead and opportunity in the system. Thank you.